Doing one of the trickiest tricks of them all. Here. With this McLaren P1. And I did the best jump of all time. And see this? And crash. And another ad! Dude, stop making all these ads. And I did the best jump of this Car Crash Simulator 2. And then I did a crash on this scenario. Serious. Don't watch the babyish stuff, okay? Not funny. This isn't a joke. Oops. What a jump. You know. A jump is this. And a finish line. And then another easy scenario. No, it gets harder for scenarios. No. But all these ads are doing a ruin. Ads are a ruin. What? My phone. Stop recording. What? I was recording. I need more time. I only have like 15 minutes. Dang. I have to do this. Oh no, now I have the trash car. Let me switch my car to... Aha! The P1. Oh, wait, I chose the wrong car. The other P1. Here. Perfect P1. Dude. And there's, of course, some more traps. Oh no. That is going to push me into the water! Why would you do that? Alright. Oh no. Wait! If I do that, I'll go for this car here. Lamborghini. Electricity car. The electric car from Lamborghini. Slick tires, no. The perfect tires. For sure is these tires, which gives you more grip. Hooks. I'm saving it. And another ad. You know what? I'm tired of these ads. Can't believe it's doing this. Now I needed to do all this by myself. With this Lamborghini Revoluto. Ready, set, crash. Wait a second. This isn't a Lamborghini Revoluto. Whoa! Crash? When I did nothing? Alright, let's go for this police car right here. Is this good? Where's the T-line? Hold on. Let me tune it. Edit it. Boom. Police car. Yeah. And oh no! 7 minutes?
Yeah, the bike ride.
It's bad. Bad news. Alright. Yeah. Bad news for sure. I'm keeping this police car. It's already messed up my puzzles. Perfect. Now I completed the puzzle. So I can complete this. Is it just a normal police car? Or is it really that normal? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What a jump. Holy mackerel. Whoa. Whoa! Crash in the middle of a police car. I gotta reverse a bit. Oh no. I'm stuck. Oh no, not another ad! It gives me ads when I don't like ads. When I told it not to give me more ads. Whoops. No. I think you'll find. I'm going for the Veyron. I'm sorry, I need to do this. Veyron. Whoa! Never mind. The Veyron was horrible. I spoke too soon about that. Twin turbocharged.
You've been hurt on the job.
Let's
You do not have to wait for compensation. There are laws.
Let's find out if this Ford Bronco does it any good or worse. Worse. Of course, worse. It's not M1, it's P1. Remember? P1. The reason why I put it on hooks, because I named it, when I named the license plate hooks, because the hooks are the part of the car. Alright, now this Corvette Stingray. Does this survive that part? Yes, it does. So only noobs fail this. Oh no. I'm so confused where I'm going now. Now this is just going slow. It's easily going to fall because of downforce. It's downforce
You do not have to wait for
makes it.
compensation. There are laws.
Well, it's the spoiler that's making all the downforce happen. Whoa! What? It was like literally going 200. Almost like 200 km. Alright, let's stop the video.